Hey, how you doing, guys? This is Ian here in my shop. As you can see, I got a lot of weird stuff going on here. It's pretty busy. But the real reason I am talking to you right now is because I want to talk about this. This is my hydro system. Me and my daughter put this together 2020. It's had some plants in it. Works pretty good. Got a tank right now. I don't know what size it is, maybe 20 gallon or something, but it's got a valve on the bottom. I can let water out and it holds water inside. It's pretty deep and gnarly inside there, but and then there's a pump, and the pump comes up into the line right here, supplies it, goes down the side here, up over here, comes down in, and then it just kind of flows back and forth. Alright, well, today the system worked really good. I had some plants in it that were pretty good, but right now I want to switch over to a bigger tank. So this is the blue barrel that I got, and the problem that I'm having right now is at the bottom of the barrel there's holes in it. There's one there, there's one there, and one there. And I've got heat on it right now, just to kind of warm the bottom of the barrel up. Feels pretty warm already. I've got some pieces of plastic that I cut off the top. And I got a good torch. And well, I'm going to try to plaster weld these together. Just do that. And that's that. And I'll show you as I'm going. Okay, so I've tried a lot of different things to fix these holes. I went and tried the silly torch method that I saw online, or well, they used a heat gun. The stuff just turned like an oily, it didn't even actually stick together. I used this here, which is like plastic bottle, supposed to be the same material, number 2. The only difference is it's clear and this thing here is blue. Pretty dumb. But anyway, I couldn't get it to stick that way. All it wanted to do was pretty much melt the hole. and that's about it. And then slide around all over the place. You'll see that on on the sped up video. Well, anyway, I'm gonna go back on the inside, or the outside rather, on that crazy hole that I just did. And I'm gonna put something down on the floor because I'm gonna flip this barrel upside down. Let's see, what do I got here? Well, anyway, I'm gonna flip it over, and this stuff's great. Old JB Weld. I don't know how much of it I have. I might have another couple tubes of it somewhere, but I am just gonna JB Weld these patches on from the bottom first and let it cure. Usually it'll cure in about an hour or get hard anyway, enough to do something with it. And then I will do the inside and fill the hole, and we'll be good to go. This stuff here, this is my inlet coming out of the hydroponic system. And this stuff here is it's called PL, but I don't know what it is, but it is super hard. It's construction adhesive is what it is. We glue 2x4s and headers and stuff together when we work on houses and framing. But the stuff's amazing. Gets rock hard and just sticks to everything. Get it on your hands, your fingers turn black from the glue. It's just crazy glue. But I don't have any of that, unfortunately, because that would work really, really well on these holes. So, next best thing in the shop right now. And the only reason I'm not going anywhere to go get glue is because, well, let me give you a view of what's going on. So, this is snow coming in. It's a pretty bad, nasty little snow we're gonna get here. And yeah, they're calling for 5 to 8 inches, so I'm not going anywhere. So yeah, that's what's going on. I'm just bored doing something cool. Alright, so here we go. Well, anyway, I'll show you what's going on here. This is that outlet, comes out of the bottom of the system, and right now it's going into the tank, this gray tank, obviously. That's the one I'm replacing with the blue. Alright, well, the only reason I'm doing this is because in my light box I have all these little seedlings that are getting ready to mature enough to where I can even put them in the hydro system. This is a bunch of lettuce over here, and then over here I got one little guy. He's a milkweed. Gonna try to get some monarchs coming, but yep, a bunch of different lettuces, and they've been brewing for a couple of weeks now, 3 weeks I think. But yep, here we go. Sorry about the music. Radio's on. Guess I should have turned that off, huh? Oh well. Anyway, so I'm gonna fix that hole with JB Weld. Sorry, torch fell over. Anyway, that's it. Well, here's proof of the fix. I went ahead and filled it with water. Well, it don't work. But if you can see down in there, I don't know if you can, but there's one with patches. There's one underneath that piece of PVC down there, and there's another one back there somewhere. Yeah, you can kind of see it back there. Back there, if you get a good look at it. But this is my hydro system, and water's flowing. If you can see it, I don't know if you can see it. There it is. Yep, water's flowing with the pump. Flowing all the way down. All the way down. All the way down. And then exiting here, going through, flowing all the way to the tank. I had to add an extension, put a coupler on it. Rubber boot there into another piece of PVC that was sealed on the back there. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. But and it just flows out. And then, I don't know if you can see it or not, but you can kind of see it dumping into there. And there's a little pump suspended. And then this is the case that I made, the top. It still needs sealed down. I'm not sealed quite yet. But, and then on the side you can see like the water levels here. You can kind of tell what the water level is if you look. It's about 51. I got about 51 gallons in it. There's 55 total, but the system takes about 4 gallons to run. So, but there it is. JB Weld fixed. Have a great one, guys. Till next time.